Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Alfiaz Alfariski with student ID 2410932039 from group 4A. In this occasion, I will explain to all of you about the mean test with the two sample. The first one, I will explain to you about what is estimation interval or interval estimation. Interval estimation is a method used to estimate a population parameter such as a mean or proportion by providing a range of value rather than a single number. This range is called a confidence interval. The next one is about hypothesis testing. On the other hand, hypothesis testing is used to make decision or test assumption about a population parameter. It involves setting up two statements, the H0, which represent the default assumption, and the alternative hypothesis, or H1, which represent what we want to test. And our problem here is if there are any difference between average from the sample 1 and sample 2, and sample 1 from the fashion product and sample 2 from the house need. And our data is from the 50 random sample that we got from the big data before. And the first one, we want to mean test. We should know the category of the mean that we test. Okay, in this case, we have the mean with two sample, and the variance of population is unknown. Because the variance population is unknown, we should check first if the variance of sample 1 same with sample 2 or is different. To test it, we use the F-test. First, we fill all the parameter here. You can see the number of data in sample 1 is 50, number data sample 2 is also 50, the average of x1, average of sample 2, deviation standard from S1, standard deviation for S2, and variance for sample 1, variance for sample 2, degree of freedom 1, degree of freedom sample 2, and for the alpha is 0.005, alpha over 2 is 0.025. For this, for the this test, we have the H0 or our hypothesis first. We assume that the variance of population from sample 1 is same with variance population is sample 2. And for the H1 or alternative hypothesis, we have the variance of population 1 is not same with variance population 2. For proof that, we should know the critical point for this. The critical point is F alpha over 2 V1 V2. We substitute all the parameter we have, and we got the number is 1.76. And for the next one is F1 of 1 minus alpha over 2 V2 V1, we get the number 0.56. Now, after we get all this number, we count the F count. The F count we can get from this formula. F count equal S1 square over S2 square, where S1 is standard deviation of sample 1 and S2 is standard deviation of sample 2. And we got the F count here is 5. Because F count is in the critical point, so we have conclusion that our conclusion is we reject H0, so there is not enough proof to say that variance for population 1 and variance for population sample 2 is same. So our variance for two sample is different. Because the variance is different, so we can choose this formula to continue our analyze. Okay, the next step is we want to know about interval estimation. We fill up the table with all parameter, and there is some addition in this table. There are x1 minus x2 is average for sample 1 minus average sample 2. Also, the new phi here is the degree of freedom for the between two samples. So with this formula, when we substitute the number or the value, we got the value of degree of freedom is 69.22. And also we have a SA here. With this formula, we get the number is 342,415. Nah, And then we're looking for the hypothesis test. The second one is hypothesis test. The new or the next hypothesis for the 0 h0, we have the hypothesis, we assume that mean 1 equal to mean 2, that average from sample 1 is same with average sample 2, and h1 is mean 1 is not equal with mean 2. And then we can test it by using t-test. The first one, we looking for the critical point. There is critical point in t. We use with v, our v is 69.22 and our alpha is 0.05. We get the t table value is 1.99. And for the t count, we use this formula. After we substitute all the values, we get the values for t count is 1.66. Because our t count is not in the critical point, so our conclusion is we fail to reject h0. So there are not enough proof to say that there is some difference between mean from sample 1 and mean from sample 2. So our conclusion is mean sample 1 and mean sample 2 is same. I think that's all for me. Sorry for any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.